74th Independence Day of India. We are gathering some people here live as well as all other are virtual. It is a different kind of Independence Day celebration. This is the 74th Independence Day of India. During the last 74 years, India has faced lot of problems, but now we can able to overcome it. So this is the year of pandemic situation. As you know, this is the pandemic situation of COVID-19. All around the world, the whole world is suffering from this pandemic situation. Even though in India, presently there are more than 4 lakhs corona positive patients. Even though India handled very properly, systematically more than 135 crore people in India. So, but casualty is less meant for our country. Our people, our corona warriors, our doctors, our policemen, health workers, society peoples, all are doing very proper response to the society. They are serving to each other. It's integrity of the India. It shows the integrity of India. It shows the sovereignty of India. It shows the toughness of India. How much India is tough. How we can overcome our any kind of tough situation which is occurred in the country. So I heartily congratulate to all the peoples of Sindhi district, all our parents, dear students, all the country members, all the corona warriors. Recently, one of our corona warrior in our college, that is assistant professor, Miss Alia Khan, his father was expired in the corona. He was in the police. He was the ASI in Singrauli. So we giving a great condolence to him that God will give his family, all the members, to a great kind of support. Our institution will, whatsoever possible, we will try to give the support. So they are the great fighter. He is not now in our society. He serve a lot to the society. So all of you, happy independence again. Happy independence to our Siddhbhumi, entire Siddhbhumi family. Our entire, we have to fight it. Definitely within one month or 2 months, we can overcome to the pandemic situation and we can meet again with each other directly live. Thank you very much.